Okay, here's the Elephant Racing Spherical bearings. Put this one in here. These are basically a sleeve and a much bigger sleeve with bearings in between, and this actually screws together. Here's one for the other side that I didn't put in yet. Basically this guy. There's threads on there. Can't do it too well with one hand though. But you put it through the hole and you tighten it. See, there's the threads. You're supposed to put blue Loctite on these threads here according to these instructions. So there's a little bit of corrosion and stuff in there, so I used a pretty fine half round file to smooth out all the burrs and stuff from taking out the other bushings, and it goes right in there now. After that, we'll put the solid mounts on this part here and we'll put the trailing arm back on.